Alright, how about some animal sounds? Can you do a red wolf? How about an owl? The pretty songbirds? How about a rooster? Can you do a horse? Good! How about a pig that needs to go on a diet? How about your best friend the skunk? Stinker. Can you fall down? Did that hurt? Cry like a baby? Can you do a cat? How about a dog? Can you bark? Good. About a big cat from the jungle? Can you fly on the spaceship? And shoot the lasers? Gonna make everyone scream! That sounds evil. Can you do water? How about a knock at the door? Can you help me start the car? What'd you do for a peanut? Good. Can you get down? Can you sing? How about some opera? Figaro? Good. Can you sing in the shower? Good. Good. Would you like to ride the roller coaster? It's a blast. Good. Is it hard work? Yeah.